Guys,
Deepma, are you going to share?
Ma'am, I'm doing it. I'm getting a black screen. Is it okay? Can you see it?
No, madam, we are not able to see anything.
No, I couldn't see Rima. You have to share.
I'm doing that, ma'am. I'm doing share screen.
Share window. You first run the slideshow.
I've done that, ma'am. I opened
Then,
it in my
and then share a window. Share a window and then select
and
that window.
select and share, right?
Yeah.
I'm doing it, ma'am. Are you able to see it right now?
Yes. Now, no. We are seeing the full screen. You can run the slide. Yeah, slideshow.
Slideshow from the
Yeah,
beginning.
from the
Yeah,
beginning.
but
Yeah, you
then
share this one. Share window. Put share window. Not share screen, share a window.
Okay, should I hide this, ma'am? Because I cannot see. I can see
No,
just my
you
PPT.
just put Alt tab. Press Alt
Okay,
and then tab.
okay, and then I'll select
Select
the
the screen, whatever screen.
Google Meet.
But
The
we will
Google
be
Meet.
seeing the screen only. Okay, we
Okay.
will be seeing the screen.
This
So
is
you
okay?
can, yeah, this is okay. But
Okay.
whenever you want to change the control, you can
Okay.
go on.
Done,
that.
done.
Okay.
So you can see it right now. It's okay, right, ma'am?
Yes, right now it's okay.
Perfect. Alt.
I have problem with my laptop, so you have to. I make you as a co-host. You
Okay.
just carry on. Can you see if anybody try to log in?
Many people had come. I've admitted them, ma'am. I've done
Yes.
admit all.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because I'm familiar with Zoom Meet. This is I have not operated Gmeet for the
Okay,
first.
okay. Has the Facebook line started?
Yeah, the link has come, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
forwarding the links here.
Okay.
First link has gone, madam.
Okay, guys. Can you guys hear me? Who was that? Was it me? Was it me?
I don't know, sir.
So it's not me then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm in a hotel now. I'm not sure you guys can see me. Hmm. 1 minute, guys.
We can see you in Google Meet, sir.
Yeah, you can see me on live Facebook also. I'm on live on both. Okay, we are ready, my friends. So, what Google Meet is this for India again?
Yes, sir. India continuation, sir.
Continuation from yesterday on Monday.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Monday.
So, where are these people from? All over India?
All over India, sir. We have some urgent.
We got some urgent. What is urgent, madam?
So there is one urgent request.
Hmm.
Urgent request from Padmaja ma'am today.
Good evening,
What
sir.
urgent, madam? What is it?
Padmaja ma'am.
లక్ష్మి గారు ఉన్నారా మీరు? లక్ష్మి గారు. మేడం ఫణి గారు.
ఉన్నాను మేడం.
ఆన్ చేయండి. సార్ shall I continue, sir?
Yes, madam.
His name is Funny, sir. He has blocks in brain, sir. Once you heal him, before 2 months he got fit, sir. At that time also you healed him, sir. After that time, 2 months after, he is not supposed to recognize his wife and son. Nobody, sir. He is not able to stand. He is not able to take the things, anything, sir.
How old is he, madam?
ఎన్నేళ్ళండి ఆయనకి? మేడం
41 మేడం.
41, sir. 41.
So, what do the medical people tell him?
Sir,
What the medical people tell him, madam?
medical report saying that now doctors are saying that the clots are disintegrating. Now he's the nerve. If it then only what they are saying, sir. Food pipe and some they put hole in the throat, sir, for the windpipe. They put windpipes also, sir.
Where's that man now? Is he in the TV?
Yes, sir. He's on video, sir. Funny.
What's his name, madam? Funny.
Funny.
Did he sit for a blessing before, madam?
Yes, sir. You removed his negative energy also, sir. 2 months before.
Still coming, madam. Is he reading affirmations on?
His wife showing affirmations to his Agna Chakra, sir, and she is doing healing also, and Padmavati madam also doing healing, sir.
It's a physical problem and some calls coming to him from his own family. Any issue with the family, madam?
మేడం మీకు ఏమన్నా ఫ్యామిలీలో ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నాయా?
ఏం లేవు మేడం.
ఏం సార్? వాట్ సార్?
No issue with the family?
No issues, sir. She's saying.
His family?
No, she's saying no, sir.
I see calls of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people from his family not happy with him.
11 మందికి ఆయనంటే నాట్ హ్యాపీ, ఆయనంటే ఇష్టం లేదని చెప్తున్నారు మేడం. మేడం మీరు మాట్లాడాలి.
మాట్లాడుతున్నా మేడం. ఇది ఒక వాయిస్ కట్ అయిపోతుంది, వినపడడం లేదు, అందుకని చూస్తున్నా మేడం.
11 మంది నుంచి కార్డ్స్ వస్తున్నాయట అతనికి, మీ వారికి.
11 మంది నుంచి.
11 మంది నుంచి.
Where is the man now?
ఒకసారి చూపించండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఆయన.
Show page number 7 to Ajahn Chakra. Let us remove the cards all first and then we see how, madam. Huh?
మేడం చూపిస్తున్నారా లక్ష్మి గారు? మేడం
మేడం నేను ఉన్నాను మేడం. ఇప్పుడు
చూపించండి ఆయనకి, ఆయన ఒకసారి చూపించండి. ఆజ్ఞా చక్ర ఎదుర్కొండ 7th పేజీ ఆజ్ఞా చక్ర ఎదుర్కొండ చూపించండి ఒకసారి.
ఓకే మేడం.
చూపించండి. సార్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తానన్నారు కార్డ్స్, మీరు ఒకసారి. ఎస్ సార్, షీ షోయింగ్ సార్.
Yeah, madam. Okay, madam, done.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్
చెప్పండి మేడం.
చూపించాను మేడం, ఆజ్ఞా చక్ర దగ్గర పెట్టాను మేడం. ఫణికుమార్.
ఓకే సార్, తీసేసారు, రిమూవ్ చేసేసారండి.
Madam, where is the tumor? Is it a tumor or block? Where is the tumor?
ఎలా ఉంది మేడం? మేడం
Tumor is disintegrated, sir. Now the doctors are saying that there is no blood circulation in the brain nerves, sir. Now doctors are saying like that.
What did it do to him? Did they do some kind of a radiation or anything like that, operation?
No, sir. Because of our healing only, the clots are disintegrated, sir.
Ask her to heal both the jaw minor chakras, Ajna, crown, and back head chakra, madam.
Okay, sir.
Heal
Okay.
both the jaw minor chakras and let the blood flow, okay? Let's see how. And then you must do divine fire. Can the wife do divine fire for the husband?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
let's see, madam. Let's say in one, tomorrow, ask her to call you and tell her how's the progress, okay?
మేడం
After-
నా గురించి చెప్పేది.
మీదేనండి చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
మేడం వినండి మేడం ప్లీజ్. నాకు ఈ ఫోన్ ఇది ఆఫ్ అయిపోతుంది ఎందుకనో మాటి మాటికి.
నేను చెప్తాను మీకు, నేను ఇంటిమేట్ చేస్తాను ఏం చెప్పారు అన్నది. నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను మీకు, ఓకేనండి?
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం సో మచ్. ఒకసారి ఈ గొంతు కింద ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి, అసలు ఏంటి పొజిషన్, ఎప్పుడు లేస్తారు, అతో ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడతారు, అసలు మాట్లాడతారా లేదా?
Okay. Just wait. Sir, she is asking that some pipe, some hole has placed in his above his lungs, sir. She is asking that why doctors did like that. She is asking any problem in his lungs, or she is asking, sir.
Doctors do a lot of things, madam, to put air inside. Never mind.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
see.
Okay,
Let's
sir.
see.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ఇంకా చేయట్లే, అయిపోయింది.
రావడం తెలుసు కదా.
Next question.
Nirmal. Nirmal, are you there?
Who is that?
Sir, Nirmal, is Nirmal Gangwal.
We don't have a PowerPoint for this.
So there's no, the PPT is not visible.
No.
Oh, so I'm sorry, sir. 1 second. Is it okay, sir? Can you see it now? I'm having
Yeah.
some issue. Yeah.
Coming now.
Yeah.
Nirmal, is Mr. Nirmal here?
Nirmal?
He was the same question yesterday, right? He was not
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes, sir. He had a wrong phone number. He had given a wrong phone number, so we could
He's
not
not here
attend it.
today now. And he's not here today now also.
So his name is there, Nirmal Gangwal. Maybe
I
he's
can
not.
see the name Nirmal, but he's not online.
Okay.
Unmute yourself, my friend. Unmute yourself. Learn to unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're saying that I'm a great fan of yours. On what,
Yes.
sir? Dancing, healing. which is the fan related to, sir? Dancing or just healing? I love the way you do fine work with full dedication and enthusiasm. You know something? Can anybody guess where I am right now? Can anybody guess where I am right now? Can anyone guess where I am right now?
No, sir.
It is not the same environment like yesterday. It's a totally different environment, huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm still in my working uniform. Can anybody from Facebook Live guess where I am right now? Can anybody guess where I am right now?
Sir, I can't see where you are.
Hmm. You are in a hotel room in Malaysia, correct? Tyagarajan, Penang or Malacca Hotel, Siu Yang Chong, Ipoh. I was in Ipoh, and then from Ipoh I left about 5:30 to drive to Pulau Pinang, Penang. Yes, in a hotel room. The problem is hotels are going through a difficult time. So there is no light in the room except for this light. Only one light available in the room. Just one light. That's all. You know, all the lights have been off. They've removed the bulb so they can save money on the lighting. Can you imagine how the hotels are saving costs because of the lockdown? Not many people are going to hotels. The Wi-Fi is not very good, so I'm using my laptop, my phone to do hotspot. Okay. You are a universal being, Siva said. What like that? Universal being, all what like you. Universal being from 4,000 light years, 299 times 6 to the power 16 miles away. You come to in less than a minute. So you have done a lot of research, huh? You've done a lot of research, huh? That means
Yes,
you have
sir.
traveled much faster speed of light. Nobody in the world would ever think they hasn't yet provided that anything can travel faster light, and you almost every day show us your miracles. Okay, next line, next PPT.
Sir, sorry,
Next.
1 second.
He had about 3 or 4 PPTs there.
Sir, is it visible? I'm so sorry.
No, it's not. It's not turning the next page. It's not turning the next page.
Been shared earlier, it's the top chair.
Uh,
Yes, guys, I am now in opinion.
Can you see it, sir, now?
Not yet, madam.
I'm so sorry.
Water is not a problem. Lots of water. Today, I traveled from Kuala Lumpur. I was traveling, I think it rained for more than 300 kilometers. It was rain all the way. All the way. It started at 12 o'clock until about 3 o'clock. It was raining, raining, raining. Water is not a problem in the country at the moment. Sri Malar, I'm also your friend.
So is it okay now?
Mr. Nirmal, you unmute first. You unmute first, Nirmal. Your voice is coming out. Unmute first. Yes. Yes, good. You see the noise is coming from your phone. Just unmute first. When you want to talk, just mute. Okay? Right. Now he's saying that, in fact, daily you give us a lot of divine goosebumps. Who is this Nirmal? How old are you, sir? Sir, here are my questions, and this came to my mind when you changed my lens of perception. Now I see the world in a different way. Sorry for putting so many questions. It's a request. Please solve it individually. My God. From my village, I went to Krishna. Let me put my laptop nicely. Okay. From my village, I went to Krishna Gar city to do marble business at when I was 30s, and ran extraordinary for 12 years. After that, everything happened to me or struck me and changed my mind and made me to close my business within 6 months. I still feel something was intentionally done to some evil forces destroyed me. Yes, sir. After business, the business 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 years, there was a lot of black magic to you and your company. Yes, 9 years. 9 years after you started the business, there was a lot of black magic coming to you. That's when everything went down and you stopped it. Okay? Right. Next question. I mean, next PPT. As nobody will ever.
Sorry, sir.
No, that was correct. As nobody will ever close his profitable business and only cost of income. From that time until 2021, I'm jobless. I couldn't earn money. More than 21 years. In fact, with whatever venue I tried to do work, it completely failed and heavy losses occurred. After that, till this date, no happiness and success. Please see this. On consulting priest 10 years ago, he said, connection from this. So you still have the dark energy, still have very, very strong dark energy done by one lady. One lady has done dark energy on you, sir. One lady, that's all. He's somebody from outside, not from the family, somebody outside. Okay? Can you identify the lady? After you start the business, 9 years.
Sir, she's is she a family member or outside?
Outside, somebody outside.
कोई औरत कृष्णगढ़ के मार्केट के बिजनेस के बाद आपको लगा कि किसी औरत ने कुछ करवाया हो इसके बारे में सोचो Sir, he don't have any idea because it's outside family. So
He must think. He must think.
Business.
After business, 9 years.
After business, 9 years.
Yes.
Sir, he's thinking of a woman.
Yes, correct.
Sir, she's from my mother's side actually.
Doesn't matter. Read page number 7. Okay, next. Go to the next question. Go to the next question. Next, okay.
Yes, sir.
Graveyard or some landmark. A place associated with soul. My ancestral house. My ancestral house. And he feels something very bad, which is beyond. I mean, Nirmal, you have to close. You have to close. You got to close. Close. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Only when I ask you to on, you on. Okay, there's too many voices coming out. That's all trouble. I don't have a strong Wi-Fi. Rima, you also mute. Rima, you also mute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because there's something going on, you know.
1 second, sir. I'm just.
It's fine. Okay. And he feels something very bad, which is beyond his understanding. And also, he said your case is very complicated and only God can solve it. Oh, who said that? This man?
So the priest said that it is beyond his capacity and capability, and something a very great person can only solve it.
No, he said God can only solve it.
Sir, he said that only God can come, or any avatar of God can come and save you. Otherwise, it's beyond my imagination. I cannot even touch it. So he left it there and said that I see some sort of connection from some sort of graveyard or these places, something related to the marble. And he left the case. He didn't touch further. He left the case.
Oh, he didn't want to get in trouble. He didn't want to get in
Yes, sir.
trouble.
Yes, I don't want to be get in trouble. Yes, sir. That's the point.
Lucky I got you, Siva sir. What do you mean he got me? Please see this. Number 2. I must not say this, but after the birth of my third child, special child, I got failed in every aspect of life. Is something? No. Nothing to do with the child, huh? No. Any sort of bad BM manager curse is carrying. He has come his own karma, nothing with the father and mother. That's all. Okay? Okay, next PPT. That's a lot of PPT. Nirmal, I tell you what, Nirmal. We will discuss this when I'm back home with full Wi-Fi. We'll do it on Friday, okay? Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. See you on Friday.
Thank
Rima, please continue. So that it's a lot of questions. We do it on Friday, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Newborn baby Shruti Deshmukh, Mumbai. My newborn is unwell since born, and doctor says end-time fit will come. Did we ask someone to read yesterday?
Yes, sir. Sir, you wanted
On
to meet a
Monday.
doctor.
On Monday. What did we tell? What did we tell you?
His father is online only.
Yeah, the father was in the work or something like that, correct?
Yeah. Just one second. He's there. He's online only.
Then why is he not coming online?
Sir, in office only, sir, just came out.
Okay, sir. Sir, there's a lot of energy negative in your office affecting your family, especially your child who's born now.
Okay, sir.
Long time. Okay.
Okay.
Issue in the office, is it the same office you're working?
So we have 3 branches. One is at Kurla, Andheri, and Vikhroli. So currently I'm working in Kurla.
Okay. What do you do there? What work do you do there?
I work as a HR, a senior manager HR.
HR, sir. Hire and fire.
Yes, sir.
How many people you are fired?
Currently, none of them.
Not
I don't
currently.
like fire, sir, because I like to retain employees.
No, not currently, sir. Not currently. How long? I mean, I'm not talking about many times back. You may have
In previous, we have done lot of things.
previous
But it is
means
as per the previous organization, due to in MSC, Metropolitan Stock Exchange, previously I work in MSC. So in there are attrition. So we have, as per the management decision, we have given the termination letters of employees.
My friend, there's nothing wrong with you. You're doing your work. You know, while
Yes,
doing
yes,
your
yes.
work, you may hurt other people. That's all. Like promotion.
Right,
Like somebody
right.
get promotion, you listen to people, you give you the one sign letter, and then and they all be HR is not doing the proper job, HR is not doing this, HR is cutting my annual leave, HR is not doing fair enough to me. I work
Right.
hard, don't look at me, HR, this kind of things. That's what I'm saying. Your work
Yes,
is the issue, sir. Work is the issue disturbing your daughter, but dipping a child. You
yes, sir.
understand? So
Yes,
take page
sir.
number 7, read affirmation to all people who have left the company and who are working in the company. Please read page
Okay,
number 7.
sure, definitely, sir.
You don't leave them. No, you read it right now if you have time.
Okay, I'm just reading.
You see, it doesn't matter that people, you may not have asked them left. They may have left because they have disagreement with the company's policy.
Okay.
It's not your
So
fault.
give me.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who the supreme God is, to my high soul, who the all the person who is working to the spiritual guides, and so other teacher, all the heaven angels to the great kindness God. I am that I am. God, thank you for bringing us together. Thank you for allowing us to balance our karma. I am accepting this divine direction and plan. I'm asking for forgiveness for all my wrongdoings and deep faults which I may have committed to you and your family in my past lives and present life. Jesus caused you
Okay, sir. After reading forgiveness, page number 9, you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people who are still not happy with you.
Okay, sir.
Still 11 people, huh?
Yes.
Ladies and men, both. So
Okay, sir.
I will remove whatever connection coming to you and your family, but you must continue to read forgiveness every day, one
Sure,
time,
sir.
2, 3 times. Page number 7 to all my staffs who have left the company and are working in this company who are not happy with me and the company's decision, not your decision, but the company's decision. Understand?
Company's decision. Sure, sir. Sure, definitely I'll read.
So
Definitely I'll read.
close your eyes, think of it, and think and start saying, please forgive me and my family if knowingly, no, sorry. No, say, please forgive me and my work.
Please forgive me and my work.
If I have knowingly or unknowingly hurt anyone in any way,
If I have not
all the
heard
work
anyone in any situation.
all the work I've been doing all this while. Okay? Let's do that.
Oh, yes, sir. Sure, sure.
Okay, sir, done.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, it's not
Thank
finished
you,
yet.
sir.
It's going to be, you got to keep on doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And madam, you please take the aura now. Take the wand, heal a child, aura cleansing, Ida Pingala, front and back, heal the physical stomach and solar plexus. Can you do that, madam?
Right now I'm out. I will do it when I reach home.
Madam, you can do it now, madam. Do distance healing.
Okay.
3 minutes only, 4 minutes, that's all. Small baby only. Very fast you can do. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Bye. Next.
Thank you.
Number 18, Prema from Coimbatore, always feeling tired. Yes, Prema.
Sir, vanakkam, sir.
Prema, how old are you?
52, sir.
52.
Yes, sir.
Married?
Yes, sir.
Since when you feel tired?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling tired, not only with body, sir, with my soul also.
Your soul feeling tired?
Sir, அது எப்படி சொல்றது சார் 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 மனசு பாரமாவே இருக்கு சார்.
Mind, madam, mind. Emotional tiredness. mental tiredness, physical tiredness, spiritual tiredness. Doing, God not coming. Doing, God not coming. Spiritual tiredness, madam.
Yes, sir. What to do for that, sir?
Don't do anything, madam. Relax. Go to the beach. Which city you living? Which city?
Sir, where to go for beach in Coimbatore?
Madam, Coimbatore.
Yes.
Go to the river. Coimbatore river, madam. Oh, river, no water also. Huh? Cannot go see, no river, no water. Madam, Coimbatore got big lake, madam. Got big lake.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take some food and throw and allow the fish to eat and be happy. Let them eat the food that you take and go. Let them be happy,
yes,
madam.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you worrying so much, madam? Too much of worries, madam. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is there's a psychic vampire in the house. A man. Any man in the house, madam?
Nobody, sir. Only son is there. My husband and son.
You say no man, now got 2 men already. Nobody there but 2 men there already. Huh?
I'm talking about outsiders.
No, I said somebody in the house, madam, not outside the house. I said one man. One man in the house, madam.
Sir, could you please in Tamil? Tamil.
Eh?
Could you please in Tamil?
What Tamil you want? Madurai Tamil or Coimbatore Tamil or Chennai Tamil, madam?
Any Tamil, sir. I want to see.
Madam, வீட்ல ஒரு ஆத்மா இருக்கு. There's a soul in the house without body taking away your life force. There's a soul in the house.
I could not follow, sir.
மேடம் வீட்ல வந்து ஒரு ஆத்மா இருக்கு, ஆம்பளை ஆத்மா இருக்கு.
எப்படி சார் யாருன்னு ஃபேமிலிலயா அதர்ஸ்?
வீட்ல ஒரு ஆத்மா இருக்கு, சொந்தக்கார ஆத்மா. அது 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 இறந்து போன ஆத்மா. அது வந்து உங்க லைஃப் ஃபோர்ஸ்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கு மேடம். எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு உறிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு. புரியுதா?
Okay, sir.
So you're losing all your aura or life force to the soul who's living on you like a psychic vampire. It's not a normal people can also be psychic vampires, but in this case, it's a soul taking a life force. Okay, take page number 7. Yes, take page number 7. Hello.
Hello.
யாரு படிக்க போறீங்க? யாரு படிக்க போறீங்க?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
நீங்க பாடு படிக்கிறீங்க? யாரு கேக்குறது? யாரு படிக்கணும் கேக்குறது இல்லையா?
சொல்லுங்க சார் யார்?
சொல்லுங்க. என்கிட்ட இருக்கிற ஆத்மான்னு சொல்லுங்க. என்கிட்ட இருக்கிற ஆண் ஆத்மான்னு சொல்லுங்க. அந்த பிராக்கெட்ல போடுங்க. To the male soul with me. To the male soul with me.
தெய்வீக தந்தை தெய்வீக தாய் என்னிடம் அனைத்து ஆத்மா உயர் ஆன்மா அனைத்து ஆன்மீக வழிகாட்டிகள் உயர் உதவியாளர் மற்றும் ஆசிரியர்கள் அனைத்து குணப்படுத்தும் தேவதையோ உயர் பாரியம் ஆகியோரிடம் நானே தான் நிறைவா எங்களை ஒன்றாக இணைத்ததற்கு நன்றி. எங்கள் கர்மாவை சரிநிலை செய்ய அனுமதி அளித்ததற்கு மிகவும் நன்றி. நான் இந்த தெய்வீக வழிகாட்டல் மற்றும் திட்டத்தை ஏற்றுக்கொள்கிறேன். இப்பிறவியிலும் முற்பிறவியிலும் அறிந்தும் அறியாமலும் நான் தங்களுக்கும் தங்கள் குடும்பத்திற்கும் செய்த அனைத்து தவறான செயல்களுக்கும் மற்றும் ஆழமான மனக்காயங்களுக்கும் தாழ்மையுடன் மனதார மன்னிப்பு கேட்கிறேன். எனது தவறுகள் நான் எனக்கும் என் குடும்பத்தினருக்கும் எதிரான செயல்களை செய்ய உங்களை தூண்டியது. நாங்கள் மீண்டும் மனதார மன்னிப்பு கேட்கின்றேன். எனக்கும் என் குடும்பத்தினருக்கும் நீங்கள் செய்த தவறுகளுக்காக உங்களை நான் மனதார மன்னிக்கிறேன். நான் மன்னிப்பு
Okay, the soul is no more there now. Okay, so every day in the morning, bed yoga, self-healing, walk the sun, get energy from the sun or Mother Earth or the trees. And thank nature for all the good thing happened to you, madam. Okay, madam?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how you're feeling. After 1 week, tell me how you're feeling. Okay?
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So remember, guys, sometimes you are feeling tired, not because it can be nutrition, you don't have enough good food in itself, and your body start taking, sometimes you can be emotionally tired, you can be physically tired, you can be mentally tired, and we got new one. You can be spiritually tired, doing, no, God not coming, doing, God coming, tired, breaking 108 coconuts, coconut on the head, coconut everywhere, but God not coming. Can be very tired, madam. Yes or not, madam?
Yes, sir.
Doing mantra 10,000 8 times, madam, but God not coming. Tired not, madam?
Yes.
ஆயிரத்தி மந்திரம் சொல்லி கடை வரலையா? டயர்டா இருக்காது மேடம்?
ஆமா சார்.
அண்ணாடம் சொல்லி காலை ஒரு 8 வாட்டி 8 வாட்டி கடவுளே வரலையா? நான் 10 வருஷம் செஞ்சிருக்கேன். Don't you feel tired, spiritual tired, madam?
சார் அந்த அளவுக்கு ரொம்ப கடவுள் பக்தி அப்படி எதிர்பார்ப்பெல்லாம் இல்ல சார். நாங்கெல்லாம் ரொம்ப நார்மல் பீப்புள்.
உங்களே சொல்ல பொதுவா இங்க சுத்தி இருக்காங்க அவங்கள சொன்னேன். நீங்க வேற உங்களே சொன்னேன். எத்தனை பேர் இந்த மாதிரி செஞ்சிருக்காங்க மேடம்?
ஓகே. ஆமா சார். உண்மைதான்.
ஆமா இல்லையா?
ஆமா சார்.
எல்லாம் வருதா? எல்லாம் கடவுள் வந்துருவாரா?
இல்ல சார்.
ஏன் மேடம் எல்லாம் கோமாளிங்க எல்லாம் சரியா கோமாளிங்க மேடம். மந்த சொல்லி கடவுள் வருவாராம். ஓகே மேடம், தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் பிரேமா.
தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார்.
அதுல NB நம்ம NB
சார் இனிஷியல் தான் சார். அப்பா தாத்தா இனிஷியல்.
இனிஷியலா?
எஸ் சார்.
இந்த N யாரு மேடம்?
ஆக்சுவலி ஐ எம் ஃப்ரம் நேட்டிவ் ஊட்டி சார். ஊட்டி நேட்டிவ். என்னன்றது தாத்தா.
பேர் என்ன?
நஞ்சன். பி
வந்துட்டு
பி ஃபார் பெல்லன்.
பேர் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு. தமிழ் தெரியல.
அதான் சார் ஊட்டிக்காரங்க.
ஊட்டிக்காரங்களா?
ஆமா சார்.
ஓகே மேடம், டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் yourself. After 1 week tell me how you feel.
எஸ் சார். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் சார். இவ்வளோ டீட்டெயிலாக பேசுவீங்கன்னு எதிர்பார்க்கல. ரொம்ப நன்றி சார்.
அப்படியே. ஓகே, who is this குட்டி மக்கிஜா? Big மக்கிஜா, குட்டி மக்கிஜா. கிட்டியா குட்டி?
Kitty sir, Kitty Makija.
Not Kutti Makija. Where's the big Makija? Is she here today in the class? One big Makija enough. The Kutti Makija also, huh? Yes, where's Kutti Makija? Hello, Kutti Makija. Very, very Kutti is this Makija. Hey, Kutti Makija, how old are you, madam? How old are you?
हाँ जी, ये गुड़िया के ना कानों में प्रॉब्लम है.
How old are you, madam?
तो इसको ना मतलब परेशान होती है तो कानों में शोर होने लग जाता है.
Madam, how old are you? कितना उम्र? हाँ, कितना उम्र? Correct?
Sir, she is her mother. Kitty Makija, she cannot hear. She has total hearing loss. So she is telling that she is facing lot of issues. She is 32.
How old is she?
32, sir. I'm writing to her on WhatsApp. Whatever you are
Hey,
saying.
how old is Kitty Makija today? Not you, lah.
32, sir.
What? Where is Kitty? Oh, the one talking different. Oh my God, so confusing. I want to meet a mother Khadija. No, another Kitty Makija just coming up. Ayyo, funny. Healing request for Kitty Makija, Panipat, India, written by Abu Naf Said, volunteer, because she cannot hear. Dear sir, I am not listening anything, and I have 100% loss of hearing for the past 18 years. After my surgery in 2005 in Delhi, my ears had stopped hearing totally. They must have cut the nerves. I also have the issue of tinnitus. If we can't hear, how can I have tinnitus? There's sound there. Understand, my friend? There is something you can hear. Understand, my friend? There's something there. I joined PVS. I've been reading affirmation and healing since August 2020. I've been healing ear chakra, jaw, along with other basic healing, but all the parts of the ears. Okay, next, please. Go to next PowerPoint, madam. In June 2021, during Facebook request session, I got to know from you that I was a guru in my past life, and I've removed all the connection from the inner world connection. Sometimes while healing, I feel a jerk in my ears. It is a very moment my ability to hear would revive. Currently, my family is planning to get a hearing aid fitted. However, it is a complex procedure and the same are to be fitted internally through surgery. Before taking any step, I want to seek your guidance. I should go for it or not. Please advise the healing with a wand. Okay, madam, listen to me. Madam, okay, all the past life connection is no more there with you, but I would say 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, 300% of what you're going through is a karma in this lifetime. Okay, madam, please explain to her it's a karma. Can she type? Can she write? Can she type? Can she write and all of these things?
Writing to me, sir, on WhatsApp.
Yeah, ask her to go and learn. Sometimes you're going to do all of this. She's saying that she could hear something after surgery it becomes worse. You understand now? So I mean, something they might have done it wrong. They cannot do it now. Sometimes they get. It's a very complicated thing. You cannot blame them either. You know, the nerves are so small. One small nerve pinching, a lot of nerves. People can lose the smell. People lose the taste. People, you know, there's one of my friend. His eyes cannot close. Cannot open fully. you know. So one of the eyes. So he went to the operation, and now the eyes is fully open, cannot close. Can you imagine? Eyes fully open. Can you imagine how to sleep? You must put a piece of cloth and sleep because the eyes is fully open. So like that, sometimes they make a small mistake by cutting that small nerve, and everything's gone. You understand? So I'm not sure what the doctors can do by putting something inside. Rather than wasting all of this time, ask her to start learning all the sign language. Typing something and doing a lot of work and something like that. No, I think it's much more. I don't know. I mean, if you ask me, I would say that to her. So let us see what. Can she hear the tinnitus? Can she hear tinnitus?
Yes, sir. She can hear the tinnitus.
Yeah, there is sound going. That means something is not correct. That's all. Ask her to hear the auditory nerves. Ask her to heal the auditory nerve on the right and left side, and then go right to the center of the brain where the sound faculties lies. So both the auditory nerve and then the sound at the center of the brain that make the sound. Ask her to do that. Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay. Right. Let's do that first. Okay. Thank you, Babita.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that when you met me in Bangalore, you told me it's black magic on my husband Sadia from his sister, and they want to kill him. Is he still alive? Is he alive, madam?
Yes, sir.
Very good. He's not dead yet, huh? Very good.
He's sitting here, sir.
He's sitting there. Very good, madam. Madam, sometimes the intention of people, madam, it can manifest or it may not manifest. That's all. Understand, madam?
Okay, sir.
So, they have put court case also. Yes, madam. If it's gone, then there's no more court case, madam. Yes or no?
It is there, sir.
No, I'm saying, but if it's no more alive, then there's no more court case, madam. Done, finished, gone. You know what I mean? It's easy.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Our family has been practicing PV the past 4 years and sit with all the blessing in our late marriage. As one son, 13 years old, and daughter, Sanjay, 11 years old, have been facing financial problems. We have farmland in Hoskoti, where we want to do organic farming without any chemicals. To start this, in some of the kind of hindrance is there. Please help, madam. You still have the black magic still coming from the whole family, his own family, madam. That's all. They are there, still there.
What to do, sir?
It's like a dynamic thing, madam. What court case is there? What court case is there? Is the court case settled?
No, sir. It is not. Still going on, sir, for the property.
Yeah. What property, madam? Big land, big small land, and big land?
Sir, actually in 2004, all the lands were given to, there are 8 kids, sir, totally, 3 boys and 5 girls. Everybody got their shares. Again, they put back the case on us, sir, telling that we need more property from you people.
Who decided to give the property? Who decided, the father or the mother?
No, sir, father and mother, when they were young only, they passed away. So my husband was holding all the property. He's given the share to everybody.
So husband is the eldest brother.
No, he's the youngest. Mother had given him the authority.
That's the trouble, madam. That's the trouble.
So now he's given everybody more, sir. They all are getting around 4 to 5 lakhs rent.
Every month.
Flats are constructed. Everybody is getting money. Whereas only we are not getting any money, sir.
Why,
Financial problems, sir.
Wow. The black magic is still coming from them, madam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're right, sir.
Okay, ask him to take the affirmation now. Page number 7. Read to all. I will remove it now.
Okay, sir.
Page number 7.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my highest word.
Not you, husband, madam.
Okay.
He's the landowner, madam, not you. You're the wife only.
Okay.
Put down there, ask him to read forgiveness to all those people from his family who are not happy with him. Madam, Babita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is his karma in his lifetime, madam.
Yes, sir.
This is his karma in his lifetime.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. ಫುಲ್ ಓದಿದ್ರಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ಮುಖ ತಲೆ ಮುಖ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ತಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾ ಸರ್
Okay, madam, we have removed all the dark energy, but please continue to read. If he can, madam, he must do some good things. Maybe he can plant some trees or leave some animal go or feed some animals or do something good, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, please see to it that farm we can start, sir.
Think of the farm, madam. Think of the farm.
Okay, sir.
Madam, can you find a middleman to help you guys out with the family issue?
No, sir.
No, you must get some middleman. Somebody your family all knows, uncles or aunties who can sit down and look at them and talk whatever you have given. You are nothing now. You are the one getting everything to make them realize, madam. Somebody must talk.
Okay, sir.
Somebody must talk. Whether your husband has done something wrong or the other one, he must talk and say, this is what happened. Why are you all fighting? Don't add more karma than you already have with your hands. Understand, madam?
Yes, sir.
Your husband is balancing his karma from his past life. Okay, madam, for whatever wrong he has done. So this is what he's doing. So ask forgiveness for page number 7 for whatever wrong he has done in his past life and to all his family members who are not happy with him. Okay, madam?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's see after 1 week, madam. Get in touch with us after 1 week.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Radha Narayan Iyer, 51 years. Are you there, madam?
Yes, sir. Good evening. Can you hear me?
What Iyer
Hello.
is this? Iyengar Iyer. The one that does the yoga. What the man's yoga man, madam?
Yeah. Iyengar. He's Iyengar yoga. Yeah.
Same Iyer? No?
No. He's Iyengar, sir. I'm Iyengar.
What's Iyengar, madam?
So Iyengar are staunch believers of God, Lord Vishnu, and we follow both. It's something like that. Yeah.
So I under what group, madam?
So I'm a human being, sir. I'm a human being. I don't follow anything.
No. I. What am I?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, I see. So the name goes with the person who follows the deity.
Yeah, it is something followed like that through years.
Oh, like the Alvars and the
Yes.
like that.
Yeah.
The Swamijis who go with the Shivan. What do you call Shivan?
Yeah.
Shivangara. What do you call it?
No, Shiva is Shiva, Lord Shiva only. We worship Lord Shiva and Vishnu. But
No, but there's name for this person who go and pray them, madam. Shivan
Shaivites and Vaishnavites and Shaiva.
No, in
Tamil.
Shivan
Tamil. Sir, I don't know in Tamil. I don't know in
Alvar
Tamil.
is the people who pray.
Yeah.
I
Correct.
think the Alvar looks like a North Indian name, not a South Indian name, isn't it?
Don't know, sir. I'm not aware of it.
No, it looks like a Alvar, no. Alva சாப்பிடுற மாதிரில இருக்கு. Alva சாப்பிடுற. Alva is a North Indian food, not a South Indian food, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, madam. Great into your day, sir. Thank you very much for teaching, healing, and blessings. I'm
losing weight.
Are you losing intentionally or unintentionally, madam?
No, unintentionally, sir. Unintentionally.
What's your body weight, madam?
Now it was 83.
Then you lose it happy, madam.
I'm happy, but I don't want at the cost of my health.
Your
Not at
soul
the,
and organs are working to reduce the weight, madam.
sir, not at the cost of my health, sir. I'm worried about my health.
Madam,
Yeah, tell me.
what's the height, madam?
5'6".
What it should be? What weight you should be?
It should be 68. 68.
And what
Around
I talking
65,
about?
68.
Someone must come down, madam.
Yeah, I must come down around 20 kgs.
I am 6 feet and I'm 77 kilos and I still want to lose 1 kilo. You are 5'6" and you're 83 kilos and you're very
Yeah.
worried about. What are you worried? Let it go down somewhere, madam.
Sir, I'm worried about just heal me completely. I'm feeling very tired, sir. And I did my sonography. It says there is a cyst of some 2.5 centimeter in left kidney and some abnormal
0.5
blood cells. And
Madam,
it is
0.5 centimeters, madam. Huh?
yeah,
Today
yeah,
one woman called me, she got 6 centimeters. Who should be worried, man? 0.5 centimeters or 6 centimeters, madam?
yeah, six, sir, 6.
Come on, madam. Don't put all this fear into your body, madam. Understand, madam. Huh?
Sir, I want to be healthy. I'm always healthy, sir.
Madam,
In spite of him diabetic.
madam, healthy means, madam, exercising
Yeah,
and also the correct food and
yeah,
mentally being healthy,
yeah,
emotionally being healthy. All this come in together, madam.
yeah,
Not just
yes,
healthy means you can walk, So everything's important. Okay, physically
yeah,
must be
yeah,
healthy by exercising and then dieting, good food.
yes,
That's all
correct,
physical. Then
correct,
mentally
sir.
must be healthy, madam. Understand?
Yeah,
Come back
correct.
home. There are people who don't even want to come back home, madam. There are women in women in many homes hoping the husband will never come back from work, madam. Understand,
Yeah.
madam?
Yes, sir.
And they have peace only when the husband go to work. When he come back from the house or home, madam, everything is gone. The whole peace of mind is gone, madam. I'll think.
But
Mental. Madam, many women, madam, have so much pain when the husband retires, madam, because he's sitting in the house every day.
Sir, I'm alone. Sir, I'm lucky in that matter. I'm alone, single.
Single. And when are you going to mingle, madam? You forgot the single and the mingle word, madam. Mingle. Okay, I eat little spicy. I get burning sensation in stomach. See, madam, stomach cannot, madam. Okay.
Yeah.
It's sonography. The cyst is 2.5 cm, 0.5 cm or 2.5 cm.
2.5.
The left kidney and madam. Let me tell you, madam. All issues, a lot of emotion to do with yourself, madam, and one lady.
Okay.
All emotion to do with yourself and one lady.
Okay. Is she from my family, sir? Which side? Father's side?
Family, madam, family.
Father's side, mother's side, sir?
Siblings.
Siblings. Okay. Sisters. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Think of sister, madam, how many sisters you have?
I have 2 sisters, sir, younger to me. They are married and settled.
Think of one of them, madam. Yes, madam. Read page number 7 for her. And accept her.
Yeah.
My appetite is reduced. I'm on medication. On what medication are you on, madam?
I took medicines for 10 days. Doctor has advised me to take for 10 days. Monday it completed. And now he has asked you to repeat the blood report this Saturday.
No.
Again.
What medication you took? For what?
For some antibiotics and some acidity tablets and vitamins, multivitamins.
Did he tell you to stop eating acidic food, madam?
Yeah, acidic food I've stopped little.
Did the doctor told you to stop the acidic food, madam?
No, he didn't say anything like that.
He just gave you medicine, isn't it?
Yeah.
You think that's the cause of what cause of acidity, madam?
Sir, if I eat earlier I never used to get the acidity, but if I eat now anything spicy, even a pickle, I'm feeling burning.
Older and older, madam, things will change in our stomach system, madam.
Correct.
You're not 25 years old. You're 51 years old, madam.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Yes, Ayer, what do you eat, madam? It's Ayer, what do you eat, madam?
Sir, rice, idli, dosa.
What, madam?
Chapati. Sir, we are born and brought up in Mumbai, so I like chapati, eating chapati.
Madam. What, madam? Dal, sambar.
Yeah. No sambar, dal. I like dal.
Dal, madam. Dal, sambar is another way of cooking dal only.
Yes.
What do you think? How long can the stomach take it, madam? How long can the stomach take it?
Sir, I don't eat frequently dal. I eat chapatis and curry or something every day. That is what I carry for my
madam.
tiffin.
Not a spicy food, madam. Understand?
Yeah. I have to change my diet.
Masalas and spicy. Madam, if you got a mouth ulcer, can you eat spicy food, madam?
No.
Why, madam?
You cannot take it.
It starts to burn the skin layers exposed, madam. Understand?
Yeah.
What if it's the stomach and if it's the esophagus? The same thing will happen. That's all.
Okay.
They got mouth ulcers, madam. They got bodies very hot. Okay, get lost. Bacteria will start eating the surface of the skin because your mouth has got millions of bacteria. Millions. They start eating all exposed. And then you start to heal. You start to slowly heal, madam. Understand? It can come under the tongue, can come in the gums, can any place, madam. Can come any place. So like that, madam, can also happen in the esophagus, can also happen in your stomach, madam.
Yes.
So when you eat anything spicy, it starts to burn.
Yeah.
It's just a simple thing, madam. Ulcer in the mouth. Similarly, madam, it can also happen in the stomach and in ulcer. Okay, please understand that. So
Yeah.
you start now. Take the one and start healing. If you can,
Fine.
go and do a hibiscus therapy.
Acha. Okay.
Huh?
Hibiscus.
So I still see a lot of emotion with you, madam. Your sister's gone, but you have a lot of emotion. Read woman's
Yes.
affirmation now.
Yeah. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my
Woman
highest
affirmation.
woman affirmation. Okay.
There's no divine father or a woman affirmation, madam. It's you.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
It's
I
you.
sometimes feel sorry for being a woman, born a woman. I'm disappointed for being a woman in this lifetime. I'm deeply, completely, and consciously accepted myself. Being a woman, I'm undergoing many disappointments. First, my period, so much pain, so much discomfort. Then all the people around me, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters, husband, boyfriends, and male colleagues. Then all the things I cannot do because I'm a woman. I feel helpless, frustrated, hurt, not wanted. No one seems to understand what I'm going through. I'm deeply, completely, and consciously accepting myself. But what can I do? God, this is a divine plan and divine direction for my soul's many lives. I'm deeply, completely, and consciously accepting myself. God, I'm accepting a divine plan and divine direction.
Madam, 70% gone, madam, 70% gone. Still got 30% more now. Okay?
Okay.
If you can, madam, read 1, 2, 3 times a day.
Yeah, I'm reading once, sir, morning. I'm not having energy to get up early in the morning. I feel tired, sir. That is a problem.
Get up in the morning and do bed yoga, madam. Start doing bed yoga.
Okay, sir. Yeah, definitely.
You must do at least bed yoga twice a day. Morning and evening you must do. Let the blood flow. Let things work, madam. Okay?
Okay. So one more question I have. Last time you told me there is a cord from the family, from the some lady. So is this my sister's cord or anybody else?
It's gone
Because
now. The sister's cord. That's all.
Okay. And there is no dark energy or anything, sir, around my house or in my
madam.
home?
No.
No. Okay. And sir, there some events have taken place. Like when my father expired 34 years back, the day before he expired, his cousin's wife expired because of brain hemorrhage, brain stroke. Then after so many years, like 10 years back, when my mother expired, she expired because of bypass surgery. And the day before the surgery, the doctor told there is some knots in the neck that can be risky. So when I came to know about that, and some few days back, that same cousin's granddaughter, she was staying in Australia and she met an accident and she had a neck fracture. So, and again the same thing after a few years, when I fell down, I had a knee problem. I couldn't climb down the stairs. And this same lady, that girl's mother, she also had a leg problem. She had a surgery or something.
No, madam, no connection.
No connection. Okay.
All these have got no connection, madam. Don't make connections, okay? There's no connection.
Okay, sir. Okay, I was worried. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Bye.
So there is one Kitty Makhija that you just talked about. They are just asking whether they should go for her surgery or not.
Madam, they have decided what to do, madam.
Okay, sir. And next is Prakash.
I don't see any surgery, but if they want to go, they can go. No problem.
Okay, sir.
We won't say
next
no.
is okay. Mr. Prakash, you can speak. Ma'am, he had not confirmed he's coming, so his PPT wasn't included.
Okay.
Yeah. Prakash? Oh, he's on FB Live. He's gone on FB Live.
Finish?
No, sir. Lots more.
Lots more.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, madam. There are 1.3 billion people in India, madam. We just touched the surface only, madam. 1.3 billion people in India. We just touched the surface. A small test.
Okay. Ma'am, can you see the slide now?
Yes, Seema. Yes.
Okay.
I think, madam, if 10% of people can do Divine Five for India, everything will change, madam.
Sure, sir.
10% is 13 million people, madam. That's a lot. Divine fire, I'm sure more than that are doing all kind of mantras every morning, more than that are doing Gayatri mantra and all. I'm sure every morning more than 10 million people are doing every day. Huh? Why do you think? I think so. Just go to Divine Fire for themselves and for the country, for themselves, for the family, for the country and Mother Earth. Things will start to change, madam. Things will really start to change if all can do that. Let's see what happens. See how we can all help everybody. Okay, now is Madam Veena there? Madam Meena, Madurai.
Sir, vanakkam, sir.
Madurai Meenachi.
Sir, vanakkam, sir.
பேர் வேற மாதிரி பேருக்கு இந்த கதிரவேல் போடுறாங்க, வேற பேர் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு மேடம்.
வணக்கம் சார், என்ன பையனோட பேரு சார் அது?
பையனோட பேரா?
பையனோட பேரு சார்.
I am proud of being a PVH follower for the past 6 years. Yay! I am suffering from uterus myoma, katti, fibroid katti, irregular period, bulky uterus, cervical thickness 4.5 cm. Wow. What is cervical? Cervical, the okay, the private part. Urinary tract infection, thyroid katti for 6 years. I feel black magic problem. I need you healing. Madam, you had a lot of black magic. Now you got no black magic, madam. Okay, madam. But you have lots of emotion, madam. Lots of emotions. ரொம்ப தமிழ்ல நம்ம emotion.
சார் என் வீட்டுக்கார ஹஸ்பண்ட் சண்டை போட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க சார்.
அவர் வீட்டுக்கு போயிருங்க மேடம். என் வீட்டுக்கு வந்திருக்கேன். வரீங்களா வீட்டுக்கு?
என் மாமியாரும் வந்து ஏதாவது சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு நாள்
எல்லாம் விட்டு என் வீட்டுக்கு வர கட்டதானே இப்ப உங்கள்கிட்ட.
ஓகே சார்,
வாங்க என் வீட்டுக்கு, நான் பாத்துக்கிறேன். சரியா போச்சு. ஏன் மேடம் சும்மா இதெல்லாம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு இவ்வளவு கஷ்டம் பாத்தீங்களா? இந்த கட்டி எல்லாம் கட்டி போட்டீங்க. யூட்ரஸ் கட்டி ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் நம்ம கலையில இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்ச பிரச்சனை. அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஆமா சார், கல்யாணம் ஆனதுல இருந்து தான் சார் பிரச்சனை வருது.
நிம்மதியே போச்சு.
ஆமா சார். சார் உள்ள யாரோ பேசுற மாதிரி எனக்கு சவுண்ட் கேக்குது சார். இன்னர் வேர்ல்ட் கனெக்ஷன் மாதிரி ஏதோ மாதிரி.
மேடம் அந்த சொல்லியா வீட்டுக்கு போன்னு சொல்லிச்சா? வீட்டுக்கு போன்னு சொல்லிச்சா? அது
இல்ல சார், இல்ல ஏதாவது நெகட்டிவா பேசுங்க. அனிமல்ஸ் கண்ணை மூடி இருக்கு, அனிமல்ஸா தெரியுது அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ நிறைய.
யாரு சார் எட்டி பாக்குறது?
என்னோட பையன் சார்.
எங்க அவன்? போன் போட்டு
என்னோட பையன் சார், கதிரவேலா.
தம்பி
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
அப்பா அம்மா ஏசுறாங்களா?
அப்பா அம்மா
ஏசுறாங்களா? நீ கேட்க வேண்டியதானே? ஏன் அப்பா கேட்க வேண்டியது, அம்மா கேட்க வேண்டியதானே?
கேட்பேன் சார்.
என்ன சொல்லுவாரு?
கேட்பேன் சார்.
அவர்
அப்படியே கண்டுக்க மாட்டார் சார்.
நீ கண்டுக்காதியா? நீ சொல்லு, நான் பெருசா தான் அம்மா கொண்டு போற சொல்லு, வெளியே கொண்டு போற சொல்லு, பாப்போம். நான் பெருசா வந்து சம்பாரிச்சு அம்மா கொண்டு போயிருவேன். அப்ப நீ என்ன பண்ண கேள விட்டேன். உன்னை யாரு பாத்துக்குவா? உங்க அம்மா கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. உங்க அம்மா மூட்டு மேடம் எல்லாம் கல்யாணத்துல இருந்து வந்து மேடம், வேற ஒண்ணு இல்ல உங்களுக்கு பிரச்சனை. அவ்வளவுதான்.
அவரு வந்து அவரு அங்க விட்டுட்டு போகணும்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. தங்கச்சி ஒண்ணு இருக்காங்க சார்.
மேடம் இதுனா காதல் கல்யாணமா?
அவங்க தங்கச்சி சிஸ்டர் ஒருத்தவங்க இருக்காங்க சார். சிஸ்டர் உங்க மதரோட போகணும் தான் சார் நினைக்கிறாரு. சண்டை விட்டுக்கிட்டே தான் சார்.
மேடம் ஒண்ணு இல்ல, அந்த குடும்பமே தப்பான குடும்பம். அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணு இல்லைங்க.
சரிங்க சார்.
ஒண்ணு ஒத்துக்குங்க, ரெண்டு ஓடுவீங்க.
சரிங்க சார்.
ஓடுவீங்களா? எங்க ஓடுவீங்க?
பிவிஹெச் டீச்சர் ஆயிருவேன் சார்.
வாங்க மேடம், வாங்க, உங்களுக்கு வேலை கொடுக்குறேன், வாங்க. ஆனா பையனை பாத்துக்கணுமே.
ஆமா, பையனே பிவிஹெச் டீச்சர் ஆக்கிடுவோம் சார். இல்ல சின்ன வயசுல பிவிஹெச் டீச்சர் ஆயிட்டா நல்லதானே சார்?
வெரி குட் மேடம், வெரி குட் மேடம். ஒண்ணு பண்ணுங்க மேடம், பல்ல கட்டிட்டு இந்த காதுல எடுத்து இந்த காதுல விட்டுருங்க.
சரிங்க சார்.
இங்க விடாதீங்க மேடம். பாத்தீங்களா சொல்லுவாங்க, இங்க ஓடு, இங்க அந்த மாதிரி கூட இங்க எடுத்து இங்க விட்டுறணும் வெளியே. புரியுதா மேடம்? இங்க விட்டு உள்ளுக்கு போயிடும்.
சரிங்க சார்.
சொல்லுவாங்க இங்க விட்டு இங்க விட்டு, அந்த மாதிரிலாம் கூடாது. இங்க வந்து அப்படியே ஆயிடணும்.
சரிங்க சார்.
அந்த மாதிரி விலைங்க. பையன் நல்லா படிச்சு முடிச்சுட்டு நல்லா அவங்க அப்புறம் வந்து இனிமே இந்த மாதிரி கேட்க கிளம்பிடுங்க. அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே மேடம்?
சரிங்க சார். எனக்கு பிளாக் மேஜிக் மாதிரி ஏதாவது இருக்கா சார்?
ஒண்ணு இல்ல.
சரிங்க சார்.
வீட்டுக்காக மேடம், உங்க வீட்டுக்காக உங்களுக்கு பிளாக் மேஜிக்கே.
சரிங்க சார்.
அவர் ஒண்ணு போதும், வேற யாரும் ஒண்ணு செய்ய தேவையில்ல. அது ஒண்ணு போதும் அவருக்கு. உங்க மாமியா எல்லாமே போதும்.
சரிங்க சார். சார் என் பையனுக்கு வந்து ஸ்கின்ன சுத்தி முகத்துல தேமல் மாதிரி நிறைய இருக்கு சார்.
அவன் ஐஸ்கிரீம், இந்த அப்போலோ, அந்த ஐஸ்கிரீம்லாம் அந்த பேரு
சாப்பிட மாட்டான் சார்.
குறு
இல்ல எதுவுமே சாப்பிட மாட்டான் சார். பிவிஎஸ் ஃபுட் தான் சார் இப்ப ஃபாலோ பண்றோம்.
எப்ப எப்பல இதெல்லாம் விட்டான்?
இப்போ 10 months சார்.
10 months தானே மேடம். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க மேடம், அவன் லிவர் ஃபிளஷ் செய்யுங்க. லிவர் ஃபிளஷ்.
சரிங்க சார். சரிங்க சார்.
லிவர் ஃபிளஷும் எனிமோஸ் சொல்லுங்க.
10th படிக்கிறான் சார். நல்லா படிப்புல ஆர்வமா இருக்கணும் சார். முன்ன சின்ன பிள்ளைல
அந்த யோகா, அந்த ஸ்மார்ட் யோகா செய்ய சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்மார்ட் யோகா.
சரிங்க சார்.
போன் கொடுங்க அவன்கிட்ட.
இல்ல சார்.
டேய் உங்க அம்மாவை
சொல்லுங்க.
காப்பாத்துவியா?
சார்
அம்மாவை காப்பாத்துவியா?
காப்பாத்துங்க சார்.
அம்மாவை காப்பாத்தினா படிக்கணும், அதான் தெரியுமா? அதை வச்சு தான் நீ காப்பாற்ற முடியும். நல்லா படிச்சு முடிச்சுட்டு நல்லா வேலை செஞ்சு அம்மா காப்பாத்து. ஓகே பாய். சரியா போச்சு. டன்.
சார் எனக்கு இந்த யூட்ரஸ் வந்து சர்ஜரி பண்ணணும்னு சொல்றாங்க. நான் தான் ஹீல் பண்ணியே சரி பண்ணிடலாம்.
மேடம் அது நல்லா ஆகணுமா? வீட்டுக்கார வந்து இந்த காதை அப்படியே விட்டுணும் முடியுமா?
முடியல சார். இப்பயே விட்டுட்டேன் சார் நான்.
ஆமா நல்லா விட்டுடுங்க. இனி என்னாச்சும் பண்ணிட்டு போப்பா. நான் ஆக்கி போறேன், சாப்பிடு. சாப்பிட்டு போ. கை வச்சா போய் போலீஸ் ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ணுங்க. சரியா போச்சு. ஓகே
சரிங்க சார்.
ஓகே மேடம் பை.
தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Sometimes everybody should know that many women are going through so much of problem, and these are the emotions that will cause them so much of issue in the private part, especially the breast and the uterus. That's all. So healing is not going to be easy for her. She needs to remove all the emotion that she has because of the husband. All problems started on the day she got married.
சரிங்க சார்.
புரியுதா மேடம்? உங்களுக்கு புரியுதா மேடம்?
புரியுது சார்.
ஓகே மேடம் ரைட். பை.
சார் இப்போ எனக்கு எமோஷனல் ஹீலிங் கொடுங்க சார். எமோஷனல் ஹீலிங் கொடுங்க சார்.
கையெடுங்க. அவங்க ஹக் பண்றாங்களே.
என்ன சார்?
ஹக் கொடுறாங்களே.
என்ன சார் அப்பா?
கட்டி பிடிக்க வைத்தியம் கொடுக்குறேன் மேடம். கட்டி பிடிக்கிற வைத்தியம் கொடுக்குறேன். கை அப்படியே எடுங்க.
சரிங்க சார்.
என்னது?
சார் எமோஷனல் ஹீலிங் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
நான் உங்களுக்கு கட்டி பிடிக்க வைத்தியம் கொடுக்க சொன்னேன். நீங்க நான் எமோஷன் பண்ணி சுத்திட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
சார் அப்ப நான் மலேசியாக்கு வந்துடுறேன் சார்.
மேடம் கை அப்படி வைங்க. நீங்க வேற. ஓகே பை.
தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ so much சார். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
நெக்ஸ்ட் இது யாரு? ஸ்ருதிகா ஸ்ரீ, தமிழ்நாடு.
சார் குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
எஸ் மேடம்.
சார் என்னோட பொண்ணுக்கு 13 வயசு ஆகுது. அவ சிபி சைல்ட். அது பையன் பேரு சார்.
பாட்டு எழுதுறீங்களா
சார்?
பாட்டு படிக்கலாம், பாட்டு எழுதுறவங்களா? சுவன் சங்கர்.
உங்க ஆசீர்வாதம் தான் வரணும். ஏதாவது இப்போதைக்கு சின்ன பையன் தான் சார்.
சரி மேடம். My daughter is behaving abnormal since her grandmother passed away due to COVID. After she passed away, she gets frequent seizures and behave weird. So I brought her divine fire pendant but refused to wear it. Once I tried her to wear, but the night she became violent and threatened me to remove it. Wow. How old is your daughter, madam?
14 years, sir. 14 years.
14 years old. I have doubt whether she's very any soul attached. My daughter is a special child. Please help her. Madam, out of party soul, party soul.
Sir?
Party soul வந்து உட்கார்ந்துருச்சு.
ஆமா சார். பாட்டி மட்டும் தான் யோசிக்கிறா. வேற எதுவுமே அவ யோசிக்கவே மாட்டேங்கிறா. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் அம்மம்மா 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 அந்த வேர்ட் மட்டும் தான் அவளுக்கு யோசனையிலே இருக்கு, திங்கிங்லே இருக்கு.
Now let me tell all of you people here, she's saying that her daughter is 14 years old and she gets her grandmother passed of COVID, and now the girl is behaving very weird. She's a special child, and she doesn't want to wear the PVC pendant. She doesn't want anything, and she's so much very worse and very violent at night. All because it's a female soul, which is the grandmother's soul is there with her. The grandmother's soul is there with her. That's all.
ஓகே சார். ஆக்சுவலி அவ பிறந்ததே எங்க அம்மா வீட்டுல பிறக்கும் போதுல இருந்தே ப்ராப்ளம் தான். ஸோ அந்த வீட்டுனால ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை வருதான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. அப்பா பையனுக்கும் பிரச்சனை, ஒரே பிரச்சனை இருக்கு அந்த வீட்டுனாலையும்.
மேடம் இது யாரோட பாட்டி? அப்பாவோட பாட்டியா?
அம்மாவோட. எங்க அம்மா.
உங்க அம்மாவோட அம்மா?
எங்க அம்மா இல்ல, என் பொண்ணுக்கு அது வந்து எங்க அம்மாவோட அம்மா. எங்க இறந்தது எங்க அம்மாவோட, எங்க அம்மா, சாரி எங்க அம்மா.
உங்க அம்மா? உங்க அம்மா?
ஆமா சார். கோவிட்ல இறக்கும் போது அவங்களுக்கு 62 இயர்ஸ் தான். அவங்க இறப்பா சும்மா தான் அட்மிட் பண்ண மாதிரி இருந்தது. ஆனா வித்தின் 3 days அவங்க இறந்து போனாங்க. அதுவே ஒரு பெரிய ஷாக்கா தான் இருந்துச்சு.
Madam, there's a lot of curse in the family, madam. Not a curse in the family.
Okay, sir. Okay. என்ன
சார் நீங்க உங்க அம்மா வந்து உங்க அம்மா தானே?
ஆமா சார், எங்க அம்மா.
ஆமா, அந்த பொண்ணுக்கு பாட்டி, உனக்கு அம்மா.
பாட்டி. ஆமா சார்.
பேஜ் 7 போடுங்க. Read forgive your mother, பேஜ் 7.
ஓகே சார். பரமாத்மா, தெய்வீக தந்தை, தெய்வீக தாய், என் உயர் ஆன்மா, அம்மா இங்கிருந்து உங்க சோல் போகட்டும், நிம்மதியா போய் சேரட்டும். உயர் ஆன்மா, அனைத்து ஆன்மீக வழிகாட்டிகள், உதவியாளர்கள் மற்றும் ஆசிரியர்கள், அனைத்து குணப்படுத்தும் தேவதைகள், உயிர் கர்ம வாரியம் ஆகியோரிடம் நானே தான். இறைவா, எங்களை ஒன்றாக இணைத்ததற்கு நன்றி. எங்கள் கர்மாவை சரிநீதி செய்ய அனுமதி அளித்ததற்கு நன்றி. நான் இந்த தெய்வீக வழிகாட்டுதல் மற்றும் திட்டத்தை ஏற்றுக்கொள்கிறேன். இப்பிறவிலும் முற்பதிவிலும் அறிந்தும் அறியாமலும் நான் தங்களுக்கும் தங்கள் குடும்பத்தினருக்கும் செய்த அனைத்து தவறான செயல்களுக்கும் மற்றும் ஆழமான மனக்காயங்களுக்கும் ஓகே சார். தேங்க்யூ சார். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் சார். சார் அந்த வீடு எப்படி சார் அது பிரச்சனையாவே வருது? இப்போ அப்பாவுக்கும் பையனுக்குமே சண்டை. எங்க அப்பா எங்க கூட தான் இருக்காங்க எங்க அம்மா இறந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம். அது அந்த பிரச்சனை சால்வ் ஆகுமானே தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது சார். ஓகே சார். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் சார். சார் எனக்கு இந்த ஒரு லாஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் சார். இந்த பேக் பெயின் இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு. லெஃப்ட் ஷோல்டர் பக்கமா ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு மாதிரி போக்கிங் மாதிரி பெயின் இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு சார். அது எது?
உங்க L3 ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க. L3 ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க மேடம்.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
L3
ஓகே சார். L3
இத மேல பண்ணிட்டு L3 ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். Thank you, sir.
Mr. Prakash, unmute yourself. बोलिए. Mr. Prakash Bhagat.
Mr. Prakash, where is Mr. Prakash?
Unmute करिए अपने आप को. He is new to Google Meet. प्रकाश, आपको unmute करिए. Unmute yourself. Mic का बटन को वापस दबाइए.
Yes, Mr. Prakash Bhagat.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
What's happening, my friend?
Prakash ji,
can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you loud.
Sir.
How old are you?
For last 2 years almost, I'm 52 years old, sir. 52 years old, sir.
You don't look like 52 years old.
I'm 52. You asked me how old I am, na?
I say you don't look 52 to me.
So what do you want me to tell you exactly? My problems, right?
Yeah, tell me a problem.
Sir, for last 2 years, I'm falling sick quite often. I'm suffering from blood pressure, sugar, and severe acidity. And almost for last 4-5 months, every month I'm falling sick with a vomiting problem for 4-5 days. And secondly, my lots of money.
Hold on.
Okay, sir.
How long you been following PVH? Have you read Affirmation Song?
Yes, for last 4-5 months.
One lady not happy with you.
Okay.
Think of a lady.
I am unmarried, sir. I really don't know who is not happy with me. Is it my relative or?
Because you're not married, many girls will be unhappy with you because you never marry them.
Sir, I really don't know. But I didn't have many affairs. So I really don't know which one is not happy with me.
10, 20, 30, 35, 36 years ago, think of a girl.
35, there was a girlfriend. Yeah, I had a girlfriend, but I have not been in touch with with her for last at least 15 years. So I don't know, really don't know.
Think of her.
Okay.
Yes, she's not happy with you now.
Okay, so what should I do?
What do you think you should do? In PVH,
Pardon?
what do you think you should do?
Girlfriend issue. The forgiveness?
Yes, very good. What page?
Okay. Page number, I'll just tell you. Page number 6, sorry.
7.
6 and 7, okay.
Read now. Hey.
Okay. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my higher soul, to whomsoever it may concern, Shaila Thapa, higher soul, to all the spiritual guides, helpers, and teachers, to all the healing angels, to the great karmic board, I am that I am. God, thank you for bringing us together. Thank you for allowing us to balance our karma. I am accepting this divine direction and plan. I am asking for forgiveness for all my wrongdoings and long and deep hurt which may have committed knowingly and unknowingly to you and your family in my past life or present life. This has caused you to take some very wrong action towards me and my family, do as we ask for forgiveness again. I'm forgiving you for all wrongdoing
Okay, my
action
friend.
done to it. Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Fine.
sir. Yes, sir.
You please read forgive for this girl 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day for 10, 11, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 35, 40. For 45 days. 45 days you must read for this
Okay.
girl, page number 7, 4 times a day. Understand? Hello.
Hello.
You must read forgiveness for this
Yes, sir.
lady.
And my lots of money.
What? What did you
Hello.
say?
Hello. Hello.
प्रकाश जी आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, आपका नेटवर्क नहीं है.
Hello. I can hear, sir, but I can hear, sir.
Tell me.
My lots of money stuck, and I don't have job for last 2.5
Why
years.
you don't have
And my
how
money
is
is
the money
stuck.
stuck? How is the money stuck?
When I was in a good position, I had given money to so many friends, but these people are not returning me, and I needed it most because my office, my job, my business, my job is already company is closed down. Jet Airways. I was working with Jet Airways. The Jet Airways is work closed down for last 2.5 years, so I
Yeah,
really
it goes
don't
down,
have a
yeah.
job. Yeah, so I don't have a job currently, and I need money, but now these people are not paying me back.
Do divine fire for all the people who owe you money, and do a divine fire for the money. Say, my money owing to me, a money of divine fire, the money owing to me is the purity God desires. Can you do that?
The money is owing to me is a purity of God desires.
The money owing to me is a money of divine fire. The money owing to me
Money,
is a purity God desires. And all the people who owe me money are beings of divine fire. All the people owing money is the purity God desires. Okay?
okay, fine.
One. Next, read forgiveness, page number 7, to all those people who are blocking me from getting success and my money back.
All right, okay,
Start doing. Understand?
okay.
Okay. Now, after this, get married to a rich woman. The problem is solved.
Get?
Married to a rich woman.
Okay, fine. Okay, sir.
A lot
Thank
of
you,
rich women
thank
are
you,
out there.
thank you very much, sir.
If you marry older than you, much better. More money you get. Or they must be older than you, more money you get.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
But are there any calls, sir?
Huh?
Are there any calls? The one
Yes.
female apart from that?
Only that one girl only was not happy with you.
Okay. All right. Okay, fine. 45 days, right?
What were you doing in Jet Airways?
I was a senior officer, accounts officer.
Okay. Why? How did you shut down all airlines?
No, I didn't shut down, but there were lots of problems in the top management. They were doing some hanky panky.
I think when airlines grow bigger and bigger, people end up getting more and more salary. They are not able to manage it,
Yes, correct. And our chairman was very good person, but the top management were not good.
No, it's not about that. People get more money and they're not able to sustain with a business.
Yeah, correct. That was the main
young airlines come with all kind of perks and they give contract basis. They will fire you. You see, if you go to Air India, you kind of 55-year-old woman as stewardess. You will never find that in Singapore Airlines.
Yes, very true, sir. Very true.
It's a law of the country, but you cannot afford to keep them because they paid so much more salary and so many more things, and they're not efficient. Not that they're bad, When you go to all Asian airlines like Thai Airways, all the skinny young girls like models working, everybody jump into the airlines,
Yes. Very true, sir.
Indian airlines shut down.
Yes, so they are planning to reopen, but I don't know they will take all the people back because they are starting on a very smaller scale now.
Exactly. So these are very old airlines, So all airlines will go through a difficult time,
I know. That's what exactly. Because in India, basically running airlines is a bigger issue because of landing charges are high in India. The fuel cost is high. So So the business is not sustainable for a longer period, actually.
Okay, my friend.
Especially,
Thank you very much.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Maladi. Maladi, are you here? Our business not running well. Are you there?
No, sir, I don't think so. She's come.
Okay, bye. Next. Last question.
1 second, I'm sorry.
Come on, guys. Okay, guys. Let's start the blessings.
Ma'am, I'm doing that only, but I don't know. It's all the windows are opening together.
Just go to the PowerPoint slide screen and then press any button.
I'm doing that, ma'am. It's not moving. There's something wrong. It's the slides are only
Okay,
not
who
moving.
is next? Who is next?
Shrutika, Malati and Kalaivani. Kalaivani. Yeah, he's there already. Yeah, he's there. Yeah, he's here.
Sir, vanakkam, sir.
Period problem, mental disturb, nervous system weakness, shivering problem. How old are you, Kalaivani?
37, sir.
37 years old. Married?
Yes, sir. 37.
Married?
Yes, sir.
How many children? How many kids you have?
பையன் ஒன்னும் பொண்ணு ஒண்ணும் சார்.
Okay, why? What kind of period problem you have? Pain, irregular periods, bleeding? What is it?
எண்டோமெட்ரியம்ல பாலிப்ஸ் இருக்குங்க சார்.
How bad is it?
சார்
எவ்வளவு மோசமா இருக்குங்க? எவ்வளவு மோசமா இருக்கு?
சார் 2 இயர்ஸா இருக்குங்க சார்.
ரொம்ப இருக்கா?
இல்லைங்க சார் 1 mm.
1 mm?
ஆமாங்க சார், அளவு சொன்னாங்க சார் 1 mm.
1 mm, 1 cm, 1 mm எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்க?
எஸ் சார். 1 inch அளவு.
1 cm is quite big. 1 mm very very small.
Yes,
you
sir.
can't even find it. cm. Madam, how long finish, madam?
சார் லாஸ்ட் இயர் நவம்பர்ல இருந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணேன்.
Madam, one lady is not happy with you from your family, own family, your family. One lady not happy with you. Madam, one lady from your family not happy with you. Think.
சிஸ்டர் இறந்துட்டாங்க சார். ஆனா இல்ல.
ஏன் மேடம், என்னாச்சு அவங்களுக்கு?
அவங்க சூசைட் பண்ணி இறந்துட்டாங்க சார்.
ஐயோ, அந்த ஆத்மா ஒன்னும் அங்க இருக்கு மேடம்.
சரிங்க சார்.
அந்த ஆத்மா இருக்கு, அந்த ஆத்மா உங்களை கூட்டி போயிடும்.
சரிங்க சார்.
போறீங்களா?
இல்லைங்க சார்.
ஏன் மேடம், ஏன் மேடம் போறீங்க? அக்கா தானே. இவங்க உங்க உங்க அன்பு இவ்வளவுதானா? உங்க அன்பு
சார்,
உங்க அன்பு இவ்வளவுதானா? உங்க அன்பு
அப்படி இல்லைங்க சார். எனக்கு பையன் பொண்ணு எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க இல்லைங்க சார்.
சரி, அவங்க ஏன் தற்கொலை பண்ணாங்க?
சார் ஃபேமிலி ப்ராப்ளம் தாங்க சார்.
என்ன மாதிரி ஃபேமிலி ப்ராப்ளம் மேம்?
சார் அவங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் வீட் ப்ராப்ளம் சார்.
பிள்ளைங்க இருக்காங்களா மேடம்? பிள்ளைங்க இருக்காங்களா?
பையன் இருக்காங்க சார், ஒரு பையன்.
அவர் யார் பாத்துக்கிறாங்க?
அவங்க அப்பா தாத்தா பாட்டி எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க சார், பாத்துக்கிறாங்க.
உங்க அப்பா அம்மாவா?
இல்லைங்க சார், அவங்க ஹஸ்பண்டோட அப்பா அம்மா.
ஏன் மேடம் தற்கொலை பண்றாங்க? ஐயோ கடவுளே. அப்ப அது என்ன மேடம் சொகுசு? அது என்ன சொகுசு? வீட்டை விட்டு வெளியே போயிடலாம், வீட்டு விட்டு ஓடி வெளியே போயிடலாமா எங்கேயாச்சும்?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
டிவி வந்து கொடுத்தாங்க, நாங்க ஒரு டீச்சர் ஆக்கி அவங்க ஹீல் பண்ணி சம்பளம் கொடுத்துருப்போம். அதான் மேடம், இந்த தமிழ் படம் பார்த்து கெட்டு போயிட்டீங்களாம்.
எஸ் சார்.
வெள்ளக்கார படம் தான் காமிக்க மாட்டாங்க மேடம், தமிழ் படம் தான் காமிப்பாங்க. ஆனா தமிழ் படம் கடைசி வந்து காப்பாற்பான். அந்த நெருப்பு போட்டு எரிக்கிறது தமிழ் படம் மட்டும் தான் காமிப்பா மேடம். ஆமா இல்லையா?
ஆமாங்க சார். ஆமாங்க சார்.
வெள்ளக்கார அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணுவானா?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
மேடம் நீங்களும் தமிழ் படத்தை இந்த மாதிரி காட்சி தமிழ் படம் பேன் பண்ணுங்க. சரி, இந்த பேச்சுங்க ஆசைப்படுதான் அனுப்பி விட்டுருவாங்க மேடம். பேச்சா பண்ணிங்க அவளுக்கு.
பரமாத்மா தெய்வி, தந்தை தெய்வி, என் உயர் ஆன்மா, என் தங்கையின் உயர் ஆன்மா, அனைத்து ஆன்மீக வழிகாட்டிகள், உதவியாளர்கள் மற்றும் ஆசிரியர்கள், அனைத்து குணப்படுத்தும் தேவதைகள், உயர் கர்ம வாரியம் ஆகியோரிடம் நானேதான். இறைவா எங்களை ஒன்றாக இணைத்ததற்கு நன்றி. எங்கள் கர்மாவை சரிநிலை செய்ய அனுமதி அளித்ததற்கு நன்றி. நான் இந்த தெய்வீக வழிகாட்டுதல் மற்றும் திட்டத்தை ஏற்றுக்கொள்கிறேன். இப்பிறவிலும் முப்பிறவிலும் அறிந்தும் அறியாமலும் நான் தங்களுக்கும் தங்கள் குடும்பத்தினருக்கும் செய்த அனைத்து தவறான செயல்களுக்கும் மற்றும் ஆழமான மனக்காயங்களுக்கும் தாழ்மையுடன் மனதார மன்னிப்பு கேட்கிறேன். எனது தவறுகள் தான் ஓகேங்க சார். சார் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பயம் வருதுங்க சார், பயமா இருக்கு, டயர்ட்னஸ் இருக்குங்க சார்.
இனிமேலாம் வராது மேடம், அவங்க போயிட்டாங்க. அவங்க தான் இந்த மாதிரி போட்டு எனர்ஜியெல்லாம் விளைக்கிறாங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். சரி மேடம்.
ஓகேங்க சார்.
அவங்களால தான் நல்லா சாப்பிடுங்க. சாப்பிடணும், நீங்க நல்லா சாப்பிடணும். என்ன சாப்பிடுறீங்க?
சாப்பிடுறேங்க சார்.
என்ன சாப்பிடுறீங்க கேட்டாக்கா சாப்பிடுங்க
சார். ரைஸ், சப்பாத்தி.
வேற ஒண்ணு வருதா? உடனே சோறு சாப்பிடலாம். அதான் சோறு தான் வரும் வாயில, வேற ஒண்ணும் வராது. சோறு அவ்வளவுதான். சோறு சாப்பிட்டேன். சோறு சாப்பிட்டியா? சோறு சாப்பிட்டேன். சைவமா மேடம்? சைவமா அசைவமா?
முளைக்கட்டின பயிரெல்லாம் எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவாங்க சார்.
மேடம் சைவமா அசைவமா?
அசைவம் சாப்பிடுவாங்க சார்.
சரி மேடம், நல்லா சாப்பிடுங்க மேடம். சாப்பாடு தான் உங்களுக்கு தேவைப்படுது, ரொம்ப சாப்பாடு தேவைப்படுது. சாப்பிடுங்களா? புரியுமா?
சரிங்க சார். ஓகேங்க சார்.
சரி, நல்லா சாப்பிட்டு 2 மாசம் கழிச்சு கூப்பிடுங்க.
சரிங்க சார். தேங்க்யூங்க சார்.
பாய். ஓகே guys. Okay. We're going to start our blessing.
Okay. So only one request, sir.
What's the request, madam?
So Anandi here, sir.
What's the request, madam?
Sir, it's come there, sir.
You have so much request, madam.
A small request only, sir.
How small, madam?
This is for my daughter, sir.
Where's your daughter?
She's here, sir.
How old is she?
She's 24 years, sir.
She's a big girl, madam. She should ask for herself.
Okay.
Where is she now?
She's next to me, sir. I'll give it to her. Hello, sir.
What's the problem, girl?
Sir, I'm not getting a job.
What's that?
Job.
What's the problem job now?
I don't know, sir. I'm not getting any much interview calls, which is very much related to me, sir.
Where's your father?
My father is Myanmar.
Your father's blocked with all this stuff. Your father's not really affecting you a lot.
ஓகே சார். ஆக்சுவலி ஈவன் நான் உங்களுக்கு கல்யாணமும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் சார். என்னென்ன ப்ரொபோசல் வருதோ ஒண்ணுமே செட் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது சார். வருது அப்படியே.
ஹலோ, நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்?
சார் ஃபாதர்
பாத்துறீங்க படிப்பாரா?
படிச்சிட்டு இருக்காரு. 1 மாசம் படிச்சாரு சார், அப்ப விட்டுட்டாங்க சார்.
ஏன் விட்டாரு?
தெரியலங்க சார்.
புள்ள நல்ல வேலை கிடைச்ச பிறகு, நல்ல கல்யாணம் பண்ண பிறகு, பேர புள்ள பெத்த பிறகு அப்ப நிப்பாட்டு சொல்லுங்க, முடியுமா?
சொல்றேங்க சார்.
நல்ல புள்ள நல்ல கல்யாணம் பண்ணி நல்ல சந்தோஷமா வாழ்க்கை செஞ்சுட்டு அப்புறம் நிப்பாட்டு சொல்லுங்க. அது வரைக்கும் படிச்சு சொல்லுங்க மேடம். அவங்க ஃபேமிலி ஒரு லேடி நாட் ஹாப்பி வித் ஹிம் கிவிங் ஆல் ஹிஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்.
Family member or outside member, sir?
Family member, his own family.
Okay, sir. How to find out, sir?
Think, madam. Yeah.
Sister,
forgiveness for this lady.
Sister or sister-in-law, sir?
Think of one person, madam. Why think of so many people?
Okay, sister-in-law, sir.
Forgiveness, sir. Okay.
Yes, I'm doing it, sir.
Not you, madam. Husband must read. Yo.
I'll call him, sir.
Madam, we have no time, madam. Read him, but he must keep on reading, madam. One time not enough.
Okay, sir. The sister-in-law is a problem, sir.
Yes, madam.
Okay, sir.
Don't go and fighting after this, huh?
No, she's not there, sir. She left her family. She went out of the family, sir.
Why?
Issues between her husband and him and her, and she left long time back, 10 years before she left the house, and she went with the kids. She's no more related to us, sir.
So she's doing a lot of curse, man. She's cursing the whole family, madam.
Okay, sir.
So whoever in the family, they all should read forgiveness to that lady, madam, as much as they can. Understand?
Okay, sir. Is there any curse for the family, sir? Because all the families have been affected. His sister.
Yes, she has cursed, madam, for the past 10, 15, 16 years of curse from that lady, madam.
Fine, sir.
Ask them all read, madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. So I have one property, sir. I have registered for the cooperative society. It's been 15 years now. Still, I haven't got my property, sir. It's been just lying over there. I have paid almost 7 lakhs to them. The site-wise, it is a guaranteed one, but they are not still registering, and it's not been cleared, sir.
You are the only one involved. Or many people involved, madam?
There are many people involved, and it's a government one. It is sure to get, but only thing it's getting delayed more than 15 years now, sir.
And everybody sit down and do divine fire and sit down and probably do it properly, madam.
Fine, sir.
You're not the only one, madam. Big group are involved, madam. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And from my side, sir, is there any blocks or drop energy from my side, sir?
No, madam.
Okay. For my daughter, what should I do, sir?
I just told you, your husband must be forgiveness.
Okay, fine, sir. The marriage, everything, only it's from him, sir.
Madam, what a beautiful handphone. I tell you, father must be.
I'll do it, sir. I'll ask him to do it, sir.
You all want very easy, sir. No one do. Everything must happen, huh? Madam, that woman cursed the whole family, madam. She's left 10 years ago. You know how she would have been when she left the family. Is you happy with you all?
No, sir. She's not happy with us.
Exactly. So now that's what's happening. Now your family not happy, madam. She will curse the family. You wait and see. Your whole family will suffer. That's what's happening. And your husband don't want to read.
I'll do it, sir.
You don't do it. Tell him to do it.
Fine, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Tell him to do it.
Last time you met him, you cleaned the dark energy from him, sir. He had sat for your blessings for yours, and you cleared the dark energy from him,
He
sir.
won't come back, isn't it? He won't come back, huh?
Not that, sir. Okay, sir.
Madam, you eat today nicely biryani you eat. After you feel eating biryani, isn't it? You feel hungry, isn't it? Like that, madam.
Okay, fine, sir. I'll make him to do, sir.
You have a woman who had left the house 10 years ago, cursing the family. You think she's going to stop?
No, she won't.
So what you all should also not stop doing forgiveness. You must continue doing forgiveness, madam.
I'm doing it, sir.
You are not the family. That family is all the people from that family, madam. You are just another sister-in-law who can be a good friend with her. That's all. If you're a sister, then it's a problem, madam. Your sister-in-law, madam, she's not angry with you.
Fine, sir.
The family, madam. Okay, madam. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Bye, guys. See you all tomorrow. Friday.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Friday, our workshop will be Haunted Places by Abunaf.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, thank you for your valuable time. Thank you very much.